Now he has built a village in the mountains, and pipes come out of every hole in the mountains and meet in the village in front of his mountain. Almost there, just gotta keep walking on 2 feet like a man, even if this heavy bundle of wood makes it tough to stay balanced.
What a good dog you are! You brought it right on time.
Thank you for the delivery, little one. Here is your payment.
This looks like good firewood. Here's the sack of food we agreed on.
Thank you, sir. Here you go, little one. I brought you food.
Hooray! I'm so hungry!
We haven't eaten all day. Please share your food with us.
I only have enough for myself.
Why did the puppy bring a red apple to the outdoor market? Because it wanted to be the pick of the litter.